Hi there. If you're looking for reliable heating, ventilation, and air conditioning solutions in your area, you've come to the right place. We specialize in emergency cleaning, repair, and replacement of furnaces and air conditioners. Need a new HVAC system? We provide reliable, top-rated quality and installation services to ensure your home or business stays comfortable year-round. Regular maintenance is key to extending the life of your HVAC system. Our maintenance services help prevent costly repairs and improve efficiency. Experiencing issues with your HVAC system? Our skilled technicians are ready to diagnose and fix any problems quickly and efficiently. Our team is highly trained and certified to handle all your HVAC needs. We understand that a well-functioning HVAC system is essential for your comfort and well-being, which is why we offer fast, reliable, and affordable services. Don't just take our word for it. Our satisfied customers can attest to our commitment to quality and excellence. We pride ourselves on delivering exceptional customer service and ensuring your HVAC system operates at peak performance. HVAC problems can happen anytime. That's why we offer 24/7 emergency HVAC services to ensure your comfort is never compromised. Call us at +1-833 388 3883. Ready to experience the best HVAC services? Contact us today to schedule an appointment or get a free estimate. Call us at +1-833 388 3883. Don't let HVAC issues disrupt your comfort. Trust the experts to keep your HVAC system running smoothly. Call us at +1-833 389 3883 or save this number on your phone. You'd never know when you might need it.